Hey guys, today I want to show you a new sound for this car in CDT. So it's this Lotus Evija. Basically today when I was driving some cars, I noticed this car's sound got changed. Here its sound I will show before later. Basically, it sounds like an electric turbo or synth LOL. Its sound was the same as the Tesla Roadster. I wouldn't really say that it sounded the same as the Tesla cause it had some effects with the Lotus. Hope you understood what I said. But that was all guys. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and news like these. See you and have a great day.